So, ladies and gentlemen, we just saw the award ceremony for the Love Jamaica Poetry and Song Competition. And we had it in 8 categories. You saw winners there. Tremendous display of creativity and talent among our Jamaican people, young people. Very well put together, a wide range of display of talent, and both in song, poetry, in terms of verse. We are tremendously proud at the Vision 2030 Secretariat to be able to host and to collate, to bring together and to call out, to put a demand, we think, on our creatives. Somebody mentioned the value of our orange industry, the creative industry in Jamaica. Tremendous talent in this country, and it warms the heart, certainly from where I sit, to see this kind of talent on display. And I've encouraged the young people to continue to allow us to benefit from their wealth of creativity and talent. And so look forward, stay tuned. We're going to have other versions. You've heard the announcement of our upcoming launch of a phase 2 that's going to be looking at inclusion of our seniors. So Jamaica has an aging population, and that cohort of senior citizens is getting larger. So we see it fit to include them in a similar competition, along with our young people coming up. And so we look forward to the craft, art, the different areas of talent to be on display again. So please get involved if you haven't been. If you have been involved, continue the involvement. This rich engagement help us to collaborate to bring about the Jamaica we want. The future for the Jamaica, that's a place of choice to live, work, raise families, do business, and retire in paradise. God bless you all.